how's it going everyone? This is basically a follow-up video about the custom bot name that you can set up for your channel using the Mix It Up app. Someone actually asked if you can make announcements with this app, with the Mix It Up app, and absolutely. So if you don't know what the announcements is basically this. If you type announce /announce, this is a message, you will see it will pop up like this. You can even change the colors, and I'm going to show you how to do this with the Mix It Up app. And you can actually make it as a timer. So every 15 minutes, it will make an announcement. Okay, I'm here now in the Mix It Up app. And what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to go to timers. Okay, you can see I've got a few timers here. But for the tutorial, I'm going to add a new command. What you want to do is you want to add a new command. Then you go all the way to Twitch. You have to connect your app with your Twitch account. Okay, then I'm going to add it. All right. And what we will do then is we will select announcement. If I can find it, of course. This is the hard part because send chat announcement. There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to make this one say, this is a test announcement. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you have to give it a name. So I'll just say test for this one. I'm not going to put it in any command group. You can do that. Like if you already created a command group, you can do that. And if you want to create a new one, you just type in whatever. And then you can create a new one. Okay, cool. There we go. That's done. So I'm going to make the color, I'm going to make it orange just to spice it up a bit. And then I'm going to hit save. That's the save button. Now you can see I've got an ungrouped one over here. And when I press the play button, it should announce it. So to show you, there we go. You can see I'm going to do it again and again. It's as easy as that. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this tutorial helped out someone. See you in the next one. Bye.